Hello everyone, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Wyzebulb to integrate ActiveCampaign with a Google Sheet. We can use ActiveCampaign as trigger application with multiple other applications to automate our workflows. I'll show how simple it could be for you to automate all of your workflows in one location. First, let us visit wyzebulb.com. And from here let us log in to our Wyzebulb account. Before beginning the workflow, step back. Let's start by making a new Google Sheet with such a couple of columns, where we can store the new data. Now, let us go back to the Wyzebulb application to continue to create our automated workflow. Here we have two sections, Trigger and Action. Let's choose ActiveCampaign as the trigger application. Choose Trigger Save and then connect ActiveCampaign account to Wyzebulb. By providing their API key and URL, you can find your ActiveCampaign credentials under the Developer tab on the Settings page. Now, trigger events by clicking on the test sample, then save and continue. Let us move on to the Action section. Here Google Sheet is our action application and create a new row in Google Sheet is our action. Now let's connect our Google account by granting permissions. Then let's set up the template for Google Sheet application by choosing the Google Spreadsheet where the data will be stored and then select the columns by clicking on the plus icon. Here you can search or choose the mapped data from the trigger applications and then save to continue. Now I will test the action by clicking on Test Action. If all the steps are successful, this window will prompt a success message and you can check your Google Sheet where you will have a Wyzebulb tester data stored. This is for our reference to say that the workflow is set up successfully. Now let us go to our Google Sheet. Here we can see the data is stored successfully. Great. Now, you have the action and trigger steps completed. And the test message is received. Now you have an automated workflow. Trigger and action part are now complete. To confirm the automated workflow, let us add a test contact in the ActiveCampaign application by clicking on the Add Contact button. Now we can see the new contact added in ActiveCampaign is saved in our Google Sheet. For more such automations for your business, by integrating your most used applications, visit wyzebulb.com.